For this tutorial, go to Proxifier. Click Profile, then Proxy Server. Click Add. Go to Proxy Link Pro, click Proxy Generator. Choose a location and select the SOCKS 5 protocol, click Generate. Now copy the information generated by Proxy Link Pro to authenticate on Proxifier. Start by entering the address and port. In Authentication, click Enable. Copy and paste the credentials from Proxy Link Pro to connect to Proxifier. Click Check to test the connection. Then confirm with OK. Save the changes. And verify that the proxy is active with "What is my IP address?"